What's up guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a low-cost handy tester. If you have just started exploring electronics or you need an easy, lightweight circuit to check the condition of electronic components, then this handy tester is going to help you a lot. It can be used to test the condition of almost all the electronic components from resistor to ICs. The circuit is so simple that you can build it by yourself. It uses only a few components but can also detect polarity, continuity, logic states, and activity of multivibrators. Let's see which components we require to build this simple circuit. We need 2 NPN transistor, 3 resistors, 1 rectifier diode, 9V battery, blue and green LED. The circuit diagram of the handy tester looks like this. The functioning of the circuit depends on the signal obtained at the base of the transistor. LED indicates the status of the component. After turning the switch on, the current flow from R1 to T2 base activates the collector emitter path of T2, which turns on the blue LED. While testing electronic component with red or black probe, if T1 conducts, which activates the collector emitter path of T1, thus cut off the base current of T2, and green LED will get turned on. Now let's see how this circuit practically works. Now we check the different component and get to know the status. The test result chart looks like this. Okay, so let's test the components. We do the following test: continuity, checking the polarity of diode, resistor, and capacitor. In continuity testing, we check the fuse. Connect the red and black probe to the fuse and check the status of the LED. The green LED gets turned on, which means our fuse is okay. If the blue LED remains on, that means the fuse is broken. So let's check the diode. See the difference. When the connection is right, the green LED will get turned on. Now we check the resistor. Connect the probe to the resistor and you will notice the green LED gets turned on, which means the resistor is in good condition. And if the resistor is faulty, then the green LED does not turn on. Now we will be moving to the last testing, which is an electrolytic capacitor. Here is one thing that you have to keep in mind. Electrolytic capacitors have polarity. So connect the red probe to the positive pin and black probe to the negative. Now see the difference. You will notice the green LED gradually turns blue, which means the capacitor is in good condition. Alright guys, if you have any questions, ask me in the comment box. I have given all the information about my projects on the website, which I do here on YouTube. Check them as well. The link is in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get notified of the upcoming videos.